I just got the ASUS AX5400 dual band RTAX82U performance Wi-Fi 6 gaming router from Best Buy for $230. It has 160 megahertz bandwidth for ultra-fast Wi-Fi. It has WPA3 to strengthen your Wi-Fi security. Looks like it won Reader's Choice for 9 consecutive years. There's the top of the box. It's ASUS. Let's open the side of the box here. So we have a DC power port in, our power switch next to it, a USB 3.0 port, 4 gigabit LAN ports, and our WAN port there, WPS port next to that, and a reset button next to that. Open the other side. It has 4 non-detachable antennas, 256 megabytes of flash memory, and 512 megabytes of DDR3 RAM. It operates at 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. And so you got 802.11b, AG, N, AC, and AX at 2.4 and AX at 5, with a speed up to 4,804 megabits per second. Comes with a 100 to 240 volt AC adapter, weighs around 2 pounds. All right, so inside we should get the router, the RJ45 cable, the power adapter, the quick start guide, and a warranty. There's the bottom of the box. It says it supports Windows 10 and IPv6, and we have our 2-year warranty. Also supports Mac. Here's the information on the back. This is a warp speed Wi-Fi 6 router. It says it is the ASUS RTAX82U dual band Wi-Fi 6, and the router uses the latest technology to give you a combined wireless speed of up to 5,400 megabits per second. That's 2 times faster than Wi-Fi 5. It also gives your network more capacity with improved range and longer battery life for your devices. So the router has a dedicated gaming port that prioritizes that port. You can also prioritize certain wireless devices using the gear accelerator. To prioritize your device, all you have to do is use the ASUS router app, and it says it has commercial grade security, lifetime free AI Protection Pro, powered by Trend Micro. It has parental controls, and you can block certain websites with it. All right, let's open it up. All right, we got a white box inside of the box. Let's open that box. Then we have the instructions for the advanced Wi-Fi helper. Here it is, the RTAX82U. Let's get the plastic off of that. It's got a nice matted black finish. It's got the ASUS logo on the right side. You have your indicators on the left side, your 2.4 and 5 gigahertz indicators. All right. Let's flip up the antennas. Okay, there's the bottom of the router. There's a look from the front, look from the side, look from the other side. All right, we got our power in there, power switch there, USB 3.0 there, LAN ports in the center, our WAN port to the right, WPS button to the right of that, and our reset button to the right of that. We have a helpline pamphlet there, our VIP warranty, and our quick start guide. Comes with an Ethernet cord, so we'll just plug that in the back into the WAN port. And of course, the AC power adapter with a Velcro wrap, which is helpful. All right, let's plug that in, and then let's plug it into our modem and the wall. So first you unplug your modem. Connect your modem to your router with the network cable provided. Then plug in your modem. Make sure the proper lights are on for your modem. Make sure it's connected. Plug in the router. Then hit the switch to turn the router on. Make sure the WAN and the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz LEDs are on. Then you can set the router up either with Wi-Fi or connecting an Ethernet cable to your computer. I connected an Ethernet cable to my computer, and then you just go to the following URL, http://router.asus.com. It will ask you to set up a password for your Wi-Fi and a password for the router. You'll click a button and everything will automatically start setting up. And here's a security section to write down your username and password. Here we have the power for the modem and the power for the router plugged in. The lights are on for the modem, so we have internet coming in. Here we have the cable coming into the modem, power coming into the modem, and the other end of the Ethernet cord coming into the modem. As you can see, the lights are on, so we have internet going through. As you can see, the lights are on top of the modem, so we have internet and Wi-Fi running. The modem also has configurable lights, so you can choose from a variety of patterns, and you can change these patterns using the app. So we'll just take the other end of the Ethernet wire and plug it into the computer, and then go to the ASUS website listed on the starting guide. All right, we're just going to plug the other end of the Ethernet cord into the laptop, like so.
To log into the router, just go to http://router.asus.com. Once your router's set up and you're logged in, there's a ton of configurable features. You can set up a guest network, set up a dedicated gaming device, set up different security protections on your device, change your wireless settings, your LAN settings, your WAN settings, configure your Amazon Alexa, IPv6, set up a VPN, change your firewall settings. If you go to administration, you can update your firmware. You can look at system logs, you can look at network tools, and there's a ton of other configurations for this router.
You can install the ASUS Router app by either going to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Just look for ASUS Router and install. Once installed, let's open the app, agree to the terms and conditions, and either set up a router or manage your existing router. And click Manage Existing Router, then just log into the router. And you can do many things in the app, upgrade your firmware, and your router's colors, and much more. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.